Notarizing a document is not just something anybody can do. It's got to get a certain type of stamp to make sure that it is legal and it is bound. Today I'm going to show you what routes to take to get this done properly in your specific area. So let's check it out. So you need to notarize a document, and this is how we're going to get it done. So there's the Inglewood Notary Public, and this will only operate, of course, and be applicable to you if you are within their area. Now, if you're not within their area, you can just go ahead and Google Notary Public and then the area that you are currently in. So wherever you are in the world, this is a service that will be provided to you by a company that is within your area. So I just want to note that this is only for its immediate area. So of course, because the whole purpose of this is they have a mobile notary, which basically allows you to not have to leave your house or hospital or whatever the case may be, because in this case, you'll need a notary public because you're not able to do your business transactions or anything of that matter yourself. So what you need is this service. And what's fantastic is that they come out to you. Now, there's a number of ways that you can actually contact them. First of all, there is a number right over here immediately on their homepage. So you can just go ahead and jump straight in there and call that number. Over here, if you go into the menu, you can come all the way down and there is a contact us. And over here, you can see walk-ins are welcome. You can go ahead and you can contact them. Again, there's that number. There's their opening hours. This is their address over here. And then you have a contact form. So here you can add your name, phone number, email address, and then your message explaining what your needs are. And then somebody will get to you and sort your notary concerns out. So here you are going to be able to notarize a document quickly and easily. I hope this video was helpful.